Taking my time, I'ma rewire. Taking my time, I'ma rewire. Taking my time, I'ma rewire. I don't really know if I can get higher. Taking my time.
YouTube, welcome back to another video, another barber tutorial. It's me, Prince Hakeem, also known as HaksAllstars, All-Star Barbers, and welcome guys. So guys, in today's video, I got my guy Mr. B. He's got Asian hair, so Asian type European hair, and today I'm going to be giving him a high fade. You know, he's got a different hair texture, so you know, let's see how it goes, and stay tuned. Peace. And yeah guys, do make sure to check out our latest products. Link will be down in the bio description. Check it out. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be giving him a high fade. So I'm gonna comb out his hair into its natural form, and then we're gonna start fading the hair. So now I'm gonna close my lever, and then I'm gonna start the guideline in the corner. But yeah guys, you want to make sure this guideline is equal all the way around, making it consistent, so the fade comes out consistent at the end. So we're gonna go all the way around, flicking out and combing or brushing as we're going along. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'll start from the corner, you know, combing and brushing, and we're going to go all the way around to match the other side as well. And I'm using my Slim Ally Pros to debulk the hairs that we don't need anymore. So we're just going to get that through and take that off. Easy, you know, make it consistent strokes. Brush and comb as we go along. Same thing on the other side as well. Just debulking. And now I'm gonna go in with my lever open to create the next guideline. As again, you want to keep this guideline consistent all the way around, so then the fade, as I said, comes out, you know, clean and all even at the end. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side as well, just keeping it consistent and the consistent strokes as well. And then I'm gonna go in with my lever quarter closed to take out the line that we just created from the first guideline. This one here, it's all about lever play. So, you know, just make it as simple as you can. So close the lever first, flick up the line, it goes up a bit, and then after that you open it a little bit, and you know, like you gradually go all the way to the lever open. Same thing on the other side as well. Just playing with the lever and taking out the line, any dark spots that you see from the first guideline. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my lever 1, or lever open, and then we're gonna create the next guideline. I was meant to say guard, so guard open for the next guideline. And as I said, keeping it consistent with the strokes all the way around to the other side as well. come with my 0.5 to take out the line that we just made with the 1. So just to fade it in. I kept it open because taking out this line, you want to keep it open and just gradually close it a little bit, not too much, because if you close it too much, you create another guideline, and then obviously you'll be taking up the fade higher and higher gradually. So just keep it open and just flick out as much as you can, you know, until you see that the line ain't there anymore. Same thing on the other side as well. Just keeping it consistent. So that's it. And then I'm gonna come in with my 1.5 to fade it in into the top. Nice strokes, consistent all the way around to the other side. And then after that, we're gonna come in with our 1 open, with our 1 guard open to flick out the line. And yeah, after that, just we'll do some detailing. And then I'm gonna come in with my 1 open to flick out any dark spots that I see from the 1.5 that we just created. I mean, using the 1.5, but the guideline that we just made, just flicking out as much as we can. I'm gonna go ahead and use my 0.5 to take any dark spots and a bit of detailing as well. See any dark spots that I see, and just taking that out. And the same thing on the other side as well, you know, flicking out any dark spots that we see, just keeping it consistent, you know, same strokes as many times as we can until we can't see it anymore. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my blade open but no guard, and now just to flick out as any dark spots that are left, just a bit of detailing, to finish off the fade. And then after that, Mr. B wanted just a little trim on top. So, you know, I got my water spray, and I'm gonna just trim the top a little bit, not too much, just a tiny bit, on my shear work. So I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to shear work, because a lot of you guys have been asking me, oh yeah, how to shear work. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you that. I'm gonna blow dry it out, dry it as much as I can, so his hair ain't wet anymore. And then I'm gonna come in with my Slim Allies Pros to shape him up, give him that shape up boxed off. and then I'm gonna come in with my razor blade just to make it as sharp. I think I left a bit of bulk on his right side. I don't know if you could see it, but yeah, man, that was my mistake. You know, as a barber, I should have seen that. So, hey, next time I'm gonna do them correctly. So yeah, man. Apart from that, that's the fade, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.
My time, I'm a rewire. Taking my time, I'm a rewire. I don't really know if I can get higher.